using Teflon coated pans? Yes, I know they make your life easier and food doesn't stick to them and they're really easy to clean. But when you heat them, they give off horrible, nasty chemicals that have got no place in the human body. One in particular, PFOA, can cause infertility problems. It can interfere with your thyroid, your immune system, causes inflammation in the body, and it even raises your LDL levels, which is your supposedly bad cholesterol. So I would urge you to change them if you possibly can. In fact, I can see no reason to carry on using them. You can buy great alternatives. Stainless steel is quite good, although you do have to use lots of coconut oil. But these ceramic pans, you can buy them for about £20 and they are absolutely fantastic. They're non-stick, they wash up really easily, and they make a great alternative to the old-fashioned cast iron pans that our grandmothers used to use. So that's my health tip this week, is to change your Teflon pans as soon as possible.